Tameron Hyundai in beautiful Hoover, Alabama. I am dancing because I'm excited. You inquired about our Santa Fe, and it is an amazing vehicle. This has a V6 motor in it. Amazing features. It looks great, drives great, and you're gonna love it. So let's take a look at it. Has a beautiful waterfall grille, LED wraparound headlights. You're gonna get premium alloy wheels. You're also gonna get things like backup camera, which is a 7-inch screen. This screen is also touchscreen. It has dual air controls. You're also gonna get rear climate controls. You'll get amazing cargo space. Check out this room. Road trips are gonna be amazing with all of this space and all of these luxuries. But the best thing about this vehicle is not just all those amazing features. It is America's best warranty. 5 years, 60,000 is the new car warranty. 10 years, 100,000 miles is our powertrain. But wait, is that really good enough? Nah, no way. We'll double it to 20 years, 200,000 miles right here at Tameron Hyundai. So come on down and see me, Christina, 205-314-0301. Please let me show you why you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.